makes them so special and gives them the power to walk upside down.
Ready to figure out how geckos do it? Blow up a few balloons, then rub them against your head. Look how the balloon sticks to the wall, or any surface. Now imagine a whole bunch of these on the bottom of a gecko's tiny feet.
Cool! Awesome!
Get out, and start your really, really awesome PBS Kids Activity Challenge now!
A tornado warning has been issued for Carroll County, effective until 4:41 p.m.
Free literacy-based programming, which is proven to help all children learn to read, especially those that need it most.
Do you value MPT? Let your voice be heard. For more information, visit protectmypublicmedia.org.
PBS Kids on MPT is made possible by our members and by
Rhymetime Lessons, presented by your Baltimore area Chick-fil-A restaurants.
Draw a picture, paint a stone, cut and paste with a craft or two. Learning by doing arts and crafts is the creative thing to do.
Next time you visit the zoo, say thanks to the zookeepers. Animals are what make the zoo fun, but the zookeepers work hard to keep them healthy and fed. So thank the zookeepers. PBS Kids celebrates National Zookeeper Week.
Funding for Don Quixote has been provided in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. These generous supporters, and by viewers like you. Thank you.